Okay, our microwave died, so we've got a new microwave. The buttons didn't work on the last one. It slowly started dying. The one button, then the two button. So then you had to push 3 to warm your stuff up. So 3 seconds, 33 seconds. Well, finally the start button died. Alright, so we're going to hang the new one here. The last one sat on the counter. So it's time to rip the wall down. Yeah. Close the door. There we go. I got some 5x5 lead squares. I'll sell you for $1,000 if you want them. So we got multiple problems here. The outlet's below. It's supposed to be up in here. So we have to add an outlet. Then the vent can't go directly out the wall because there's a stud right there. So we're gonna have to go up and then go over and out. Yeah, nothing's easy. Oops. Okay. Yummy, yummy. It's the best outlet ever. Let's drill a hole in our cabinet. I made a door for the mice. Knock, knock. Who's in there? The mice. Let us out. I'm about to. Hope I can get this wire fished up through here. There's insulation in there. It's hot and sweaty. Ain't going so good. Oh, there we go. Great. Bunching up the insulation. Try going top down. You're never gonna hit that hole. Nope, gotta go bottom up. Whoa, whoa, look what I see. It's getting hotter by the minute, dirtier.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. After about an hour and a half, extended the outlet up into the cabinet so we can put the microwave over there. They make us cut the box apart to get the template. That way you can't return it. We need to remove the trim. There's trim up here. There's also a couple of screws. So you remove the screw. Sell $2 for $1. $2 for that piece. It's not as busted up. Why is it on hammer drill? Okay. Got things sharp. Not big enough. Getting the stove dirty. Smelling like something's cooking here. Right there. Like that. Yeah. Oops, I wonder if that's what the washers were supposed to be for. Oh, back mount. Oh. Okay. Well, there it is. So is this too close to the stove? According to the book, it says 30 inches from here to here. That's exactly what we had, but man, put a big pot on the stove, which is missing. We lost our big pots. We got a medium pot. We'll try it. I don't know if a big pot will ever fit in there. And then the heat, those flames come up this high. Guess we'll see. There it is. Here it says 30 inches, stove top. It's the bottom of the cabinet. We got exactly 30 inches, so. There we go.
Look at that nice light. You can see all the light.
Yeah, now we can see all the dirt.
Yeah, I know.
There we go, brand new microwave installed, hanging from the cabinet. Giant cord where we're supposed to store our spices. And you can't even see behind there anyways. Why couldn't we have just had a bottom outlet? Cord come out the bottom. It's not like you can see. I mean, look at that. You never see the cord. Alright, let's try it out. Nice and clean. Smells good. Got some noodles. Two different buttons work. Last time you'd have to do 33. Oh, I feel it. We're going to vent it outside later, but not today. It's too much work. It's like 10:30 at night. Look at that, the wonders of the microwave. Bet you wish you had one.